Here's the introduction of drywall and the installation of the proper procedures needed to install drywall using the proper tools, equipment, materials. And so as we go through this is a quick one, just give you just a brief idea and understanding of the process of drywalling. This is section one, and we're going to have 9 different videos looking into drywalling. The objective of this first part is just to identify different types of drywall and their uses. There's many different types based on the application, such as in wet areas, areas that you're looking for fire protection, and other things like that. So um, drywall, we call it, well, the true name is gypsum, and we call it gypsum board. Um, and it's made from a rock material, which is gypsum, and it's a soft rock, and so it grinds up very easily. Um, some of the benefits of it is that it can form to make a sheet, and it very stable, and it's not difficult to install. So it's one of the most popular and economical methods of finishing the interior walls and ceilings of wood framing. Matter of fact, even metal framing buildings. Um, so it gives a wall and ceilings made from many panels the appearance of being made from one continuous sheet, even though it is multiple sheets. So one of the responsibilities for drywall installation and finishing varies, and it's based on the type of job it's going to be used for. For example, if it's going to be installed in a bathroom where moisture content will be high, um, drywalls hyposcopic have a tendency to absorb moisture into it, and because of that, uh, it doesn't need to be installed without some type of protection. So again, depends on the location where drywall will be installed. All right, we're going to just talk about the term. Gypsum board, again, is just a generic term for paper-covered gypsum core panels. And of course, we call it drywall.